Resinous floors are often used in heavy traffic areas that accumulate foreign matter, grease, and oil. To maintain a safe resinous floor, daily cleaning is recommended. QuestMark Cleaner and Degreaser HD is an environmentally safe floor cleaner that is water-soluble, quickly emulsifying the oils on your floor and allowing for easy removal. This instructional video will walk you through the step-by-step maintenance process to ensure your floor looks great and performs at its best for years to come. Preparing the area. Protect people, vehicles, property, polished masonry, and concrete and other surfaces not set for cleaning product, residue, splash, fumes, and wind drift. Avoid exposing building occupants to mists. For resinous flooring maintenance, QuestMark Cleaner and Degreaser HD product must be properly diluted and should be applied with an automatic floor scrubber or foam sprayer. Pressure washing equipment is not recommended for cleaning and maintaining resinous floors. Diluting QuestMark Cleaner and Degreaser HD correctly is critical for the proper maintenance of resinous floors. The minimum recommended dilution rate is 1 part concentrate to 4 parts water. Here are recommended uses and dilution. Step 1. Remove debris and oil. Make sure to sweep the floor well and remove any debris or oil that is on the floor. Do not use a mop to remove grease or oil. Step 2. Mix and apply. Mix and apply QuestMark Cleaner and Degreaser HD. Based on your floor's needs, dilute the QuestMark Cleaner and Degreaser HD to the appropriate concentrate to water ratio. For a medium to large area, use an automatic floor scrubber or foam sprayer to apply the cleaning product to the floor surface. For broadcasted flooring systems with added texture, use a soft to medium flex nylon bristle brush. Brushes should be nylon non-abrasive Malish 8129 series or equivalent soft to medium flex nylon bristle brush. For cleaning a small area, use a deck brush or foamer sprayer to apply the cleaning product. When using a deck brush, choose a medium or stiff bristle. Step 3. Dwell. Let the cleaning solution dwell for 1 to 3 minutes, allowing the cleaner to emulsify foreign material. Step 4. Reapply and agitate. Reapply the cleaning solution and using the floor cleaning machine, agitate the area. This will aid in the release of foreign materials. For smaller spaces, reapply the cleaning solution and use a deck brush to scrub vigorously. Step 5. Remove. Remove the cleaning solution from the floor. Step 6. Rinse. Rinse the floor with clean water and remove the cleaning solution. Any water and cleaning solution should be removed using a soft neoprene squeegee or wet vacuum for smaller areas and an automatic floor scrubber for larger areas. Maintaining a proper cleaning schedule and using QuestMark Cleaner and Degreaser HD daily will keep your floor performing and looking as good as the day it was first installed.